I'm Cara and I'm currently working towards my bronze Duke of Edinburgh. I've been working for about 4 months now. The thing I'm most looking forward to on the whole Duke of Edinburgh thing is probably the actual hike. I think it's important to be outside a lot instead of being on like phones and mobile devices, because you can only do so much on a phone, whereas if you're actually outside, you learn a lot more. And so if you're outside and you're cooking or something, it's a lot better than watching a video of cooking on your phone, because you get something out of it.
I'm Jamie, and I've got my bronze Duke of Edinburgh Award, working towards my silver. My favourite memories, my friend Charles was rolling down a dam to cheer us up because it was raining. We were all a bit down in the dumps, not enjoying ourselves, but he managed to cheer us up. Advice, I'd tell people to get to know each other, because you'll be spending a lot of time with them and make it a lot more enjoyable.
Hi, my name is Eve. I'm currently finishing my bronze Duke of Edinburgh whilst working towards my silver. I definitely would recommend doing the DofE to everyone out there, because you make so many funny memories and make so many new friends.
Hi, my name's Phoebe and I've been doing DofE for 3 years. I've done bronze, silver and diamond, and I'm working towards gold. DofE is something that was an amazing thing, and it was definitely worth going to do, and it would help you for the rest of your life.